I'm gonna attach a 19-volt transformer to our 5-volt rated joystick vibrator. Let's see.
Dude, should I hold it?
Yeah, try holding it.
Damn it.
You can't freaking hold it.
Go. Plug it in. Gonna try to make the motor explode. Damn it. Not working no more. Do it. No.
You could also use it as another thing.
Oh, no.
But I think it's a bit too intense. Hold it. Try holding it down.
Oh, damn it.
Ah, my fingers are hurt.
Dude, it electrocuted. Dude, stop it. Dude, I swear, when my finger was right here, it was boiling red.
Yeah, it's good. Don't you want to make it blow up?
Wait, turn it towards the camera for a sec.
No, I can't.
Dude, it's spitting so much air. Wait, damn it. Cover your pants.
Why?
Copyright.
Oh.
Should we stop this?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.